in a beautiful world full of forests, rivers, mountains and other beautiful things. But our environment is getting destroyed due to the careless behavior of human beings. In order to make our environment a happier and a healthier place to live in, we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June to raise awareness, to take positive environmental actions, to protect nature and the planet Earth. The theme for this year is ecosystem restoration, as it is very important to heal our planet in order to heal our future. And it can be done by planting trees, greening cities and by cleaning rivers and coasts. My dear children, I want all of you to be our environmental warriors and do your best to contribute in order to save the planet. And how can you do that? Have a look.
Okay.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है।
Grow, grow, grow more plants, grow, grow, grow more plants. Grow it carefully, grow it carefully. Trees and plants make me feel happy, make me feel happy. Yes, plants are important for our lives. They give us oxygen, food and even medicines. Plants are homes for animals and birds too. So, let's make our Earth planet a green and beautiful one. I need a promise from you all that on Environment Day, that is on 5th of June, you will plant a tree and do share a video or a picture on the reopening day. 1, 2, 3, grow more trees. पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ.
Reena, you're wasting so much of water. You have to close the tap when you are brushing your teeth. See, here also it's written, close the tap after use. Water is very precious. You have to save water. जल ही जीवन है. जल बचाओ, जीवन बचाओ.
On this World Environment Day, let's make a notion of saving the ocean.
No water, no life. No blue, no green. Water is most important for our lives. But still, we are misusing it and making it dirty since long. Industrial waste, garbage, oil leakage, remains of used commodities like plastic bottles, cans have been dumped in the rivers and oceans, causing contamination of water. Do you know we have more plastic than fish in our oceans? This causes death and diseases not only to us but also to the marine life. So let's do our bit to stop the pollution quick and don't make the ocean sick.
Hey Mukti, what have you got from the market? Fruits and vegetables. Oh, you're still using plastic bags. Whenever I go to the market, I always carry my own cloth bag or a paper bag. You know, plastics are very harmful for the environment. Your life will become fantastic. Stop using plastic. Tick, 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 tick. कसम ये खाए रे. टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे.
much of air pollution, so much of sound pollution. All the vehicles moving on the road, they leave out a lot of smoke which causes air pollution. It is difficult for us to breathe as well as for plants to breathe, and you can see how they dry up due to the air pollution. And this shrill noise of the honks, of the sirens, they causes a lot of sound pollution which causes disturbances in places like hospitals where patients need peace so that they can rest well. They also causes difficulty in learning in the schools where children are trying to focus. So let us try and avoid all kinds of air pollution and sound pollution. Instead of vehicles, wherever we have to travel for short places, we can use bicycles, and when not needed, we should not honk.
Children, let's put dry waste in dry bin and wet waste in wet bin.
Bits of banana peels, bits of onion peels, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Pick it up and drop it, pick it up and drop it in the wet bin, in the wet bin. Bottle paper wrapper, scattered on the floor, scattered on the floor. Pick it up and drop it, pick it up and drop it in the dry bin, in the dry bin.
R. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce. Reduce the use of electricity. When fans and lights are of no use, switch off them. Reduce the use of fuel. Use bicycles in place of motorcycles. Reduce the use of plastic. Reuse. When you have no use of your old clothes and toys, donate it to needy people so that they can reuse it. Yesterday I broke my cup and now I reuse it by planting a tree. It looks beautiful. I reuse my newspaper to make a paper bag. Reuse your cloth bag by washing it again and again. Then recycle. Don't throw vegetable peels and fruit peels. Instead, make it compost out of it to help plants grow more and faster. Recycle your old newspapers by giving it to scrap vendor so that he can give it to factories and use it to make a new paper out of it. You all can make something creative out of old newspapers and create something good. So do it and share it with your teachers on school reopening day. So my children, it is not difficult, easy to do. Reuse, recycle and reduce.